Let's continue. The name of chapter is heat transfer. Then first we see the numerical. I will read. Air at 27 degree blows over a hot plate of 0.5 meter by 1 meter. Surface which is maintained at 227 degrees Celsius. The film conductance is 25 W per meter square Kelvin. There is a heat loss of 280 watt by radiation from surface of the plate. The plate is 2 centimeter thick. Calculate heat transfer rate. Second, the temperature of the other side of the plate. Assume thermal conductivity of the plate material as 43 W per meter Kelvin. Whatever information you have to provide in the problem, you just write that information as a given data. The first information, heat loss by radiation, given data, heat loss by radiation, QR, that is equal to 280 watt, 280 watt. Then second information, air temperature, air or fluid temperature T infinity, that is equal to 27 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then surface temperature, surface temperature, that is 227 degrees Celsius. Next, film conductance H, the value of H is given 25 W per meter square Kelvin. Next, thickness of plate, thickness of plate, X is equal to 2 centimeter, that is 0.02 meter. Okay. Next, K is given 43 W per meter Kelvin. Next, surface area of plate, surface area of plate A is equal to 0.5 meter square. Next, T infinity. Then first calculate heat transfer. That information is provided in the problem. The first information, heat loss by radiation, that is QR, that is equal to 280 watt. Air or fluid temperature T infinity 27 degrees Celsius. Surface temperature Ts 227 degrees Celsius. Film conductance H 25 W per meter square Kelvin. Thickness of plate X is equal to 2 centimeter, that is equal to 0.02 meter. K, thermal conductivity of material 43 W per meter Kelvin. Surface area of plate 0.5 meter square. That information is given in the problem. Then the first we find out the heat transfer rate. Heat transfer rate. How to calculate heat transfer rate? First, the heat lost by convection, heat lost by convection. The formula is very simple. Q is equal to QC is equal to H HA in bracket TW minus T infinity. Then we put all these values 25 into 0.5 in bracket TW, that is, that value is provided 227 here. TW 227 minus 27 degrees Celsius. Then here, just find out the value of QC, 2500 watt. That is, you will get heat loss by the convection. The formula is QC, that is equal to HA TW minus T infinity. We substitute the value and finally we calculate. Then we calculate total heat Q, total heat rate, heat loss by convection, QC plus QR, then 2500 plus QR is already given to it, then total heat transfer rate, that is 2780 watt. Means that in this first heat transfer rate, calculate the first heat loss by convection, calculate QC, that is equal to HA into bracket TW minus infinity. We put all these values and then find out QC. Then total heat lost or heat transfer rate, that is heat loss by convection plus heat loss by radiation. We take addition of both, then you will get total heat lost. Then temperature of other side of plate. Second thing, temperature of other side of plate. Other side of plate. Then it is calculated by formula T2. It is represented by particular formula. Q is equal to Ka in bracket T2 minus Tw divided by X. We put up all the values. 14 into A. Area is already given 0.5. Then T2 minus Tw is 20. Then X is given 0.02. Then Q is already given 2780. Then finally T2 is equal to 229.586 degrees Celsius. This is the value of T2. Very simple way to calculate. First of all, the heat transfer rate. First, whatever information you have provided. Heat loss by radiation, that is QR, 280 watt, that is provided. Air or fluid temperature T infinity, that is 27 degrees Celsius. Surface temperature TW 227 degrees Celsius. Film conductance H is given. The thickness of plate X is given 2 cm. Then convert into meter. 1 meter, that is equal to 100 cm. Then X is equal to 0.02 meter. Thermal conductivity of material is given K, 43 kg/meter Kg. Surface area of plate A, 0.5 meter square. Then first to calculate heat transfer rate or total heat lost. The first heat lost by the convection, we calculate the heat lost by convection by formula QC, that is equal to HA into Tw minus T infinity. If you want to calculate heat transfer rate, then first we calculate heat lost by convection according to formula QC, that is equal to HA into Tw minus T infinity. That is the standard formula for the heat lost by the convection. We put all these values and finally we calculate total heat lost or total heat transfer rate. Q is equal to addition of heat lost by convection and heat lost by radiation. Then we get total heat lost or total heat transfer rate. Then second, temperature of other side of the plate T2. It is represented by formula Q is equal to K into T2 minus Tw upon X. We put all the values and finally we calculate T2. temperature of other side of plate 229.586 degrees Celsius. Then this is the way for finding out the unknown values of the heat transfer rate and T2. Okay. This is the problem which is regarding to the heat transfer rate. Okay. Thank you for that.